Welcome to ALFRA English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How often do you ride a bicycle?
Honestly speaking, I scarcely ride a bicycle these days. Busy lifestyle, faster speed of motorized vehicles, and our apathy to get involved in physical activities have forced us to use a bicycle less often. Once in a while, I ride a bicycle, and that's primarily to have fun and not to travel. Personally, I more often use a car than a bicycle because the former one is faster and more comfortable to ride in. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.